Karen. Yes. There you go, let's go to art.
I love you! Let's go to art together!
Get away from me, bitch! I hate you!
No, you don't! You're only joking! I know that! Let's go to art together like a proper couple!
Scene 2 in the art La-di-da-di-da, doing my artwork.
Hi, Karen! What are you drawing? By the way, did I tell you I love you? I love you!
Get away from me, you suck!
No! You know you want me instead of fading with my eyeliner down my face like my ginger roots? My ginger roots! No,
I'm the first day, the only day over you, you bitch! I hate you! Go die! Go die! No! Scene 3, baby. Oh, Sadie!
Hello, Kieran! Did you have a nice day?
No, that bitch Amy was trying to get me to dump you for her.
What a bitch! That is it! Let's kick her out! Where is she? Where is she?
Yeah, you go, girl. Go on, kick your ass. Go, go, go. Amy, is that you? Is that you down there?
Hi, Sadie! How are you? You bitch!
Is that the end? Hold on, wait.
The end, bow.
That was a production by
Kiss!